this is Sarah GT and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing another product from Amazon that I really find to be interesting. When you talk about Apple products, it comes with a high expensive price, but then again, if you look to Amazon and you can look on different kind of alternative products that is not so expensive. So if you're looking for the AirPod that the Apple is selling, and the price range from $200 to $300 if I'm not mistaken, correct me if I'm wrong. And if you look something like that in Amazon, and you can find something like this. So this is from Amazon. It looks like the AirPod. The name on the product is True Wireless Earbuds. Soap, I don't know if it is soap buds. Soap, like as in SOAP, soap buds. So I'm just gonna show you how to connect it on your phone, on your iPhone, and yeah, let's see if it works or not. So let's start. So we're gonna unbox this one. So I like the packaging. So this is available also in black. So I just like the design of this earbuds. Oh, look at that. So this is what we call the portable charging case. So the case battery life is about 20 to 30 hours. So if you notice here the green light on the case, that means it's full battery. So I really like the look of this earbuds, and it's very lightweight. So this is the portable case, charging case actually. So if you notice the green light in there, that means it's fully charged. So you can charge your earbuds, by storing the earbuds inside the case. So look at this design. It's very nice, very slim. So the design makes it look so comfortable and will fit perfectly on your ears. So the battery life of the earbuds itself is about 5 hours, and then the battery life of the portable charging case is 20 hours. So it has a separate box for, I don't know what it is, but I'm thinking it's gonna be the manual and the charging cable. So this is the Type-C charging cable. Let's see what the charging cable looks like. So it's not a long charging cable, which is nice. I like that. So here's what we got inside the box. So we're gonna connect to the Bluetooth. We need to pair it to my device, my phone, Bluetooth. So I finally connected to my phone. I put it on my left. My right. Okay. Let's play some music. All right, that was so good. It's, yeah, it works like, the normal headset or earbuds, and it has the option for answering a call. So if somebody calls on your phone, you just double click it, and if you ending a call, just double click it too. If you want to cancel or rejecting a call, you just need to keep touching it for 2 seconds, like long press, and that's your way of rejecting the call function. Triple click will activate Siri function. Let's see. 1, 2. Nope. No Siri function here. Click. What click? Click or touch? 1, 2, 3. Siri. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. What? What? 1, 2, 3. Say if I click it on 3 times, it turns on my YouTube videos, and it's like if I want to click it 3 times again, it stops. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. See, it stops the video because I was playing videos on the background in my YouTube. So when I click 3 times, it plays the video. 1, 2, 3. Siri, I want you. 1, 2, 3. So Siri is here. Siri, set the timer for 10 minutes. Hello? 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 This is the touching, so this is the touching area. So this is the touching area. See? See, it stops. Say it's not playing right now, but if I touch it again, say it's playing. So I like it. So it's not so expensive alternative if you want to have this kind of product. It's available in Amazon. If you're interested, I'm gonna be putting the link below on the description, and check it out. If you really like it, go get it, guys. It's not really expensive, and I really like it, you know, because of the wireless function. It's very comfortable and very convenient to wear. And yeah, I think that's all, guys. Thank you guys for watching. See you all next time. Bye.